I know that the time of this video is short, but I told you some of tips about pressure washing business that you cannot find anywhere. This is your choice to watch this video. If you want to start a pressure washer business, you click on the right video. Pressure washer business is one of the most profitable business that you can start. It doesn't matter which country you live in. You can start this business in any country. I strongly suggest that you write down all the points that I tell you. I recommend getting an LLC which can help protect personal assets in case of lawsuits. But in every country the way to get it is different. It is better to do a search on the internet about how to get it in your country. Before getting an LLC, the equipment required in this business is not very complicated. You only need a few equipment. Here's what you need. Pressure washer with a PSI range of 2500 to 4000 and a range of 2.5 to 4 gallons per minute. Pressure washer with a flow rate of under 4 gallons per minute, pump sprayer, ball valve, a garden hose and a J-rod to connect the pressure washer's tips. In the beginning, these equipment are suitable. At the beginning of this business, you can find your customers through these methods, including utilizing a website builder, Facebook ads, yard signs, and door knocking. And also, in order to estimate your income to each project, you can do it in two ways. You can estimate your income based on each square foot you clean or charge for every hour you spend. At the beginning of this business, in order to become a famous faster and for your customers to trust you more and to increase your credibility, it is better to lower the price of work you are doing or to do it for free. And after the cleaning the place, take the before and after photos. Here's some tips that can help you become a professional and profitable in this business. Reinvesting in advertisement and finding small services undermarketed in the industry. And also, these two methods will help you to increase your income in this business significantly, offering gutter cleaning or window washing. And finally, try to be in different groups of Facebook that are about this business so that you can have a great experience in this business. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more real profitable ideas. Stay healthy and wealthy.